on Dalal-Street. What started off as a promising day ended on a whimper. Stocks ran out of steam in late trade to end with marginal gains. Sensex lost over 150 points from its high point of the day to end barely in the green. Ditto for the Nifty, which is still holding above the 7,400 levels. Mid-caps, though, fared slightly better than the blue chips, with the index gaining nearly 50 points. Anuj Singhal joins us as always with a wrap of the day's market action. Anuj, what led to this late sell-off?
Well, combination of factors led the market to lower in the late trade, though the market ended in the green. But still, off the highs, the major reason was that the European markets turned into the red, and Brent crude prices also slipped quite a bit in late trade. Also keep in mind, tomorrow is a trading holiday, so not too many people would have wanted to take home positions after having seen the kind of volatility over the last 2 weeks. But the markets did end in the green, so let's point out the stocks that actually led the market higher. Let's start with some of the heavyweights. ICICI Bank was the top contributor, up 1.5%, closely followed by HDFC and Sun Pharma as well, which was up about 2.3%. Apart from that, some biggest Nifty gainers today included Cairn, which was up 5% despite poor set of numbers, and that's because it was focusing more on the late recovery in crude prices, at least from the lows. Tata Steel was up 3%, and Ambuja Cement as well was up about 2%. Let's talk about the losers then. Stocks which capped the gains for the market. Larsen & Toubro is the problem point for the market. 2.5% lower again in trade today. Axis was down 1% and GAIL was down about close to 3%. Auto stocks, they looked weak, led by Tata Motors, which was down close to 2%. Mahindra was down 1% and Hero MotoCorp was down about 2.5%. The big trade of the day today was the pair trade that was going on between Interglobe and SpiceJet. Interglobe was down 7%, SpiceJet was up 11%. Jet Airways, of course, has also been quite volatile, but nothing compared to the kind of pair trade that we saw between the first and the third player. Apart from that, some earnings reactions. Subros was up 13%, so was Supreme Petro, and Intellect Design on the way down about close to 5%. So all in all, a decent day, but the base would believe that they had the better second half, which at times is critical. Tomorrow is a trading holiday, and now we have 2 days left for expiry, so it's going to be really interesting and volatile 2 days.